What is up, gang? I'm finally back. A lot of shit went down over the holidays. Okay, I've been keeping an eye on it. I've been watching it, bro. I know what's up. A lot of things were said about this Walking on Water album. If you want to know my 2 pesas on this whole situation, make sure y'all stick around to the end. In the meantime, in between time, we're going to be checking out Homicide of the album. Let's see what Divine is talking about. Alright, let's go.
चारों तरफ जाल बिछाया गया, हर कदम पे मुझे गिराने की साजिश हुई।
Okay.
शैतान की भूख बड़ी है, वो हर रूह को निकलना चाहता है, पर वो भूल गए जिसके सर पर ईश्वर का हाथ हो, उसे दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं रोक सकती।
That's like no weapon formed against me shall ever prosper. Divine's been using biblical references throughout his career, right? Also, the foreshadowing is kind of crazy because I'm assuming this song was recorded prior to all the drama that took place in the last month or two. I don't know if this intro was there in the album version or is it just here in the video. Somebody's gonna have to tell me that. But if the intro was also there in the album version, that's pretty crazy, like the foreshadowing. Because like he's going through all this hate and kind of like this intro. That's pretty dope. Let's go. Okay.
मुझे बनना था बहुत बड़ा बनना था भूख के लिए पानी और हाथ में जब पन्ना था रात में था पावर और दिन में था सन्नाडा मैं गया इंग्लिश में बड़ा भाई कन्नड़ा बोलता नहीं कौन साला बड़े दोस्त डांडा
Bro, मैं कह रहा इंग्लिश में बड़ा भाई कड़ा कन्नड़ा. Does Divine have a brother or something? Is that what he means by that line? Either way, bro, what I got from this whole thing was like, bro, I think people forget, man. Divine started off in English. Okay, he switched his whole fucking style, bro. That's not easy to do. You know what I'm saying? To switch your whole fucking style up, switch your whole language up, and still blow. Come on, bro. Like, y'all forget who Divine is, man. You know what I mean? Perhaps maybe the younger audience takes a lot of things for granted. Because when he's saying सन्नाटा था भाई सन्नाटा था मैं था उस टाइम पे भाई हम बाहर जाते थे सन्नाटा था भाई कोई हिप हॉप नहीं था तुमको लगता है the scene has been around because it's been around ever since you've been around you know what I'm saying but bro like there was no scene bro at one point in time you know what I'm saying there were only a handful of artists holding it down Divine is one of them bro let's go Divine hold on
रात में था पावर और दिन में था सन्नाडा भाई में बड़ा भाई कन्नड़ा कौन साला बड़े दोस्त डांडा तोड़ते थे खिड़की फिर पूछते थे कौन मारा लगते हम पास में मिला तब रे बॉन्ड मारा जानवर थे कंक्रीट पे जिंदगी थी बनता स्टेप लेके चढ़ते थे कभी नहीं जम मारा मैं और तू सेम बारिश में मैं मॉन्ग मारा मिला कितना धूप
बारिश में मैं मॉन्क मारा ओल्ड मॉन्क बारिश में ठंडी हो रही है तो यू नीड समथिंग टू वार्म यू अप हां बोतल में दी ओल्ड मॉन्क आए गाइस हां ओके लेट्स गो
नहीं बहुत सारा भाई पे कोई हाथ डाला फकीर फिर मैं कोर्ट जा रहा गली हो या हाई पे
अच्छा भाई पे कोई हाथ डाला फिर मैं कोर्ट जा रहा है भाई these gully gang guys are not they're not going to court भाई they're holding court in the streets ठीक है and they are holding court on the internet they don't give a fuck fuck that let's go
डाला गया था मैं कमेंट्स में किसी ने तो बॉट डाला बगल में बॉट्स डाला हर शब्द में कॉश डाला भाइयों मैं थॉट्स डाला बना के से बॉस साला साइन ऑफ द क्रॉस मारा देवा नहीं घर वाला क्या लड़की क्या वादा शादी नहीं कर पा रहा खाली बिल भर पा रहा खाली चिल कर पा रहा साला घर वाला क्या लड़की क्या वादा शादी नहीं
भाई you know this reminds me bro a couple of months ago I think when he dropped the Karan Aujla collaborative tape no तो भाई Reddit पे ना किसी ने एक thread मारा था कि bro Divine की personal life में you know पूरा fuck scene चल रहा है ये चल रहा है वो चल रहा है you know people who surround him they're not good influence पता नहीं भाई full मतलब expose type था you know and I was wondering आला भाई तेरे को कैसे पता भाई इसकी personal life के बारे में bro Divine देख Divine भी वही कह रहा है bro कि मैं कमेंट्स में था किसी ने तो बहुत डाला you know what I'm saying and then he's saying क्या Divine क्या शादी कर नहीं पा रहा all these things bro I'm telling you we already know Divine is watching stuff ठीक है we know this by now he's watching streamers he's watching content creators Divine is in the Reddit Divine is in the comments y'all better watch yourself man these GG boys go step to your ass bro then don't start crying this and that no okay y'all watch yourself bro Watch it, bro. I'm telling you. Sala. Let's go, Divine.
नया दिन नया मैं नानी पे गया मैं दोस्त बदले दया मैं बहुत दम रुपया मैं जिनको हंसाया मैं उसने रुलाया बे मिडल नेम है विल्सन किसने रुकाया बे
Middle name है Wilson. Is that a bar? Or is like Wilson like actually Divine's middle name? Oh, we got Phenom in the cut. Hold on. We got Phenom in the cut. Mean mug and all that was up. See, I told you, man. GG boys ain't playing, bro. Quit playing with these GG boys, bro. They're gonna pull up and show out. Okay. In fact, bro. I think almost like a year, maybe a little less than a year, I had done the triple OG like reaction. Okay. And I remember saying like, I don't know if I can get jiggy to this beat because at the time that sound that these guys were working on, it was a little different for me, you know. So I was like, I don't know if I can get jiggy with it, bro. Phenom was in my comments, bro. he said something to the effect of like, he was like, bro, like, what are you talking about? You can't get jiggy with it. And then he told me like where he sampled the beat from, and I think it was like a Dr. Dre or like a Nas beat or something like that. Don't quote me on that. Like you guys will have to check that. And he was like this beat is hip hop as fuck, bro. And then he went on to say, like, bro, you should stop doing this and just stick to your 9 to 5, bro. You know what I'm saying? And bro, and I remember reading it, I was like, bro, the first thing I was like, bhai, itna sensitive kyun hai, bro? So I was like, yo, thanks, man, because honestly, I didn't know where the sample was from, and it's always nice to know where the samples are from. I'm a nerd like that, bro. I like to know samples and shit. You know, it's nice. You discover more music like that. But I said the same thing. I was like, bro, sensitive much. You know what I'm saying? So for a lot of y'all who think this is some new thing, bro, it's not, okay? GG boys are passionate about what they put out. Okay? These gully gang dudes are passionate, okay? And they're gonna step to you, bro, if they don't like what you're saying. And I'm fine with it. Fuck it, okay? But Phenom, bro, listen, dog, listen. If this comes across your timeline, thoda has le bhai. You know what I'm saying? For all the criticism the album has got, bro, people have given you your props. You know what I'm saying? For your production. So, thoda hustle, bro. You know, life is short, man. Enjoy the shit. I know you gave money. You know what I'm saying? You know, people like your production. Thoda hustle, man. You ain't gonna be on 10 toes all the time, man. Come on, man. Relax a little bit. Let's go.
उस पे चला मैं क्लाइंट डिफाइन मेरा कभी नहीं साम है रोड्स तेरे भाई की पूरा सीना साम है यस I'm the one बिजनेस डिफाइंड है उठने पे शेर सोया तो उजाइन में रैप्स नहीं साइंस है रैप नहीं साइंस है सर्टिफाइड रैपर तू सर्टिफाइड क्लाइंट है क्लब में जब घुस
Certified client hai, bro. Shut the fuck up, man. Check card, bhai. Payment bhej, bhai. Shut the fuck up, bro. Don't talk about Divine, bro. Let's go.
एक हाथ में पॉइंट है हाथ पे जब रोली आदमी का टाइम है दो घर मुंबई दो है दुबई में मेरी ड्रैकुला पिछली वो
दो घर मुंबई में दो दुबई में कितने हुए 4 2 plus 2 in case you don't know quick maths, bro. Come on, Divine. Talk that shit.
और रायन है अभी भी विश्वास आ
एक
किसमें
मिनट
भाई
JD और Ryan है एक
मेरी
bring this back.
सर्टिफाइड रैपर तू सर्टिफाइड
Client है.
क्लब में जब घुसते एक हाथ में पॉइंट है हाथ में जब रोली
जो क्लब में घुसते एक हाथ में पॉइंट है भाई हैं दैट मींस ये बंदे ऑलरेडी प्री गेम करके क्लब के अंदर घुस रहे हैं विद देयर प्री गेम नो देन बाउंसर्स ain't frisking them. That's what I'm saying, bro. You guys are talking too much shit. ठीक है यार don't fucking run to the internet. Gully gang dudes caught me this and that. Now you shouldn't have been talking shit. That's what I'm saying. Okay, let's go.
दो घर मुंबई दो है दुबई में एक्स मेरी ड्रैकुला पिछली वो डायन है जेडी और रायन है अभी भी विश्वास आ किसमें आ भाई मैं अभी भी विश्वास आ किसमें आ भाई मैं अभी भी विश्वास आ किसमें मुंबई में डिबा नहीं घर वाला क्या लड़की क्या वाला शादी नहीं कर पा रहा खाली बिल भर पा रहा खाली चिल कर पा रहा साला डिबा नहीं घर वाला क्या लड़की क्या वाला शादी नहीं कर पा रहा खाली बिल भर पा रहा खाली चिल
शादी नहीं कर पा रहा भाई मजाक नहीं कर रहा भाई ऐसी कुछ लिखा था यार रेडिट में तुम लोग देख रहा हो भाई मैं तो फ्लिप हो गया था मैं पढ़ता हूँ भाई मैं रेडिट में कभी कभार ना मैं बोलता हूँ जी क्या बकचोदी पेल रहे भाई लोग भाई I don't know where they're getting the information up they take it out of the ass bro straight up bro fuck that man let's go
साला
hey
क्या वाला
hey man this beat is hard I'm not gonna lie spooky Okay, man. Hey, man. Let's go, bro. Okay, man. I know a lot of y'all might be thinking, yo, Paul, are you serious, man? Or are you trolling? No, man. I'm dead ass serious, bro. I don't know why people are like shitting on this album. I read somewhere, bro, this album is hot trash, dog shit. Why, itna to bura bhi nahi tha, bhai. I understand, you know what I'm saying? That the album maybe didn't meet the expectations. Then the whole situation with Emiway. And finally, like, the whole situation with Hit Human. I think all of that compounded all the fucking hate. When dude said, I'm not your weight hater, I honestly didn't take it any other way. I was just like, oh, okay, he's basically saying I'm not going to serve you what you want. Because that's what a waiter does, right? They serve you what you order. What fucking set a dangerous precedent for me, bro, is when Hit Human said, bro, I'll even take the stream down or I'll make it private. I understand. I'm not mad at Hit Human for saying that because I totally understand where he's coming from. Banjo, he's been involved in drama before. He doesn't want to be involved in drama, bro. He doesn't want to fucking be involved in all that. Plus, I think he genuinely has love for Divine. And he doesn't strike me as a guy who's a fucking hater or who's going to say some shit just to get a reaction. You know what I'm saying? He might have his jokes just like I got jokes. You know what I'm saying? So many other people got jokes. You know what I'm saying? But he doesn't seem like a guy who got this fucking agenda. But bro, what is dangerous about the whole thing is this self-censorship that we're inflicting on hip-hop, bro. भाई पूरे देश में censorship है, bro. Comedians को censor कर दिया, activists को censor कर दिया. अब हम अपने आप को ही censor कर रहे हैं hip-hop में. That shit is fucked up, bro. Because today, if you're gonna sit here in front of a mic and you're gonna be like, I can't get my opinion off because that guy's gonna get pissed off or this guy's gonna get pissed off or I gotta be this thing. Yeah, come on, bro. Not in hip-hop. And at the same time, I'm not saying you shouldn't be held accountable for what you're saying. You definitely should, bro. But whatever you're saying also should be taken into the context of it being content, bro. At the end, this is all content, yaar. So that was my 2 paisas on the whole situation. What do y'all think? Do y'all like, nah, fuck that, Divine still holds this L? Or are you maybe that small minority who's like, bro, this was a banging album. I don't know what the fuck people are talking about. I don't know what the fuck you talking about. Is GG Divine all day. Hey man, sound off in the comments and let me know. I'm finally back. I will be dropping more consistently. Y'all already know the drill. If you got some recommendations, make sure y'all sound off in the comments below. Until then, make sure y'all keep it content and no more censorship, please. At least not in hip hop. Deuces.